Hi guys, I'm Karen Lab from English Tutor Hub, and for today's video, we're gonna learn about the Tagalog translation of the word committed. So if you want to know what committed means in Tagalog, then keep on watching. And before we start, if you want more English to Tagalog and Tagalog to English translations, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. For sure, it will help you a lot. What is the meaning of committed? So committed is the past tense of commit, which means dedicated and loyal to a cause, activity, or employment. Additionally, it is also referring to a pledge of a person who is committed to someone who is a romantic partner. And here are some synonyms of committed. So we have dedicated, carry out, execute, devote, obligate, loyal, engage, pledge, and betrothed. Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang i-like, share, at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At kung gusto nyo pa ng maraming English to Tagalog translation and Tagalog to English translation, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. Now, let's talk about what is committed in Tagalog. So, the word committed can be translated as nakatuon. Ang nakatuon ay nangangahulugang nakabaling ang lahat ng iyong atensyon o nakapokus ang iyong atensyon sa isang bagay, tao o pangyayari. At heto naman po ang mga kasing kahulugan ng nakatuon. Focus, deboto, obligado, at matapat. In this example, I'll use the word committed and of course, I'll translate it into Tagalog, okay? They are hardworking people and committed to their work. In Tagalog, sila ay masisipag na tao at nakatuon sa kanilang trabaho. So this time, you already know what committed means in Tagalog, and there are a couple of words in the Filipino language that could translate into committed. However, the use of these words depends on the context of the sentence. Therefore, be mindful of what you write and what you say. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-comment kung may natutunan kayo sa ating video at pwede rin po kayong magtanong kung sakali. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless.